Okay, you guys, so this is actually a requested video, so you're welcome back to today's video. And how are you guys doing? All right, some of people actually requested that I make an oil that they're gonna should be used to massage the face and of course the nose. You guys, some people actually like to have a little nose pointed here and there, while I know that some do not. Okay, so leave those people that want to, let me make the video for them. Okay, so the very first oil you're going to be needing in here is bar oil. Okay, I'm going to be taking just about half. You're going to mix all of this oil and then use it. Okay, you're going to be taking just about, let's say, half of a teaspoon of bar oil, because when you mix all of this oil, then you're going to then store them. And then you're going to be needing also carrot oil. Now carrot oil is actually very good for the skin because it helps to rejuvenate the skin and tighten up the skin. So when you use it alongside with bar oil, which is great also to tighten up the skin, it will help to shrink your nose as you constantly use it to massage, because this oil are basically massage oil that I'm actually mixing. Okay, these ones are not massage oil, but the one I'm basically mixing here is a massage oil that you can use for your face to remove wrinkles and then to shaping your face the way you would want it to be. So which is the nose area. So I'm going to be taking half a teaspoon of carrot oil, and then we have here rose hip oil. Then we're going to be taking a teaspoon of rose hip oil also. You guys, all of this oil are very good for the skin. All right, like rose hip oil helps so much to reduce the excessive largeness of your follicles. Your follicles are your skin pores, those pores on your skin that actually get widened, and then you begin to be prone to a lot of things. So rose hip oil tends to get into that particular place and then tighten it up and then help your skin flourish. So another oil that you're going to be needing here is avocado oil. Avocado oil is one amazing anti-aging oil that helps so much. So this particular oil that I'm mixing, you can use it for your wrinkled skin, because the face also needs to be massaged. All right, when you massage your face, you're gonna stay young for a whole long time. So I'm gonna be putting 1 teaspoon of the avocado oil too. So we have about 4 oil here. We have the bar oil, the carrot oil, the rose hip oil, and the avocado oil. All right, mixing it together here would form a great deal. All right, so you mix it properly. As you mix, it's gonna have a little bubble in there. Okay, a little bubble in there. That is actually perfect. All right, so I'm going to be turning it into a container. Give me this one that's there now. Where did I put it? I'm going to turn it into this container. Okay, so this is our massage oil. All right, so let's go inside washroom. Let me massage and show you guys how you're going to actually massage your nose to get a slimmer nose, and of course massage your face to remove wrinkles and, you know, reduce the appearances of large and open pores. Let's go. Alright you guys, so this is my massage oil. Smells amazing. So let's start from the nose and then massage the nose. Okay, see, this thing is actually one very simple thing that you might be like, okay, I don't want. Yeah, there are some people who want. Okay, let's start from the nose and massage the nose. Now if you want your nose to get pointy, right, rub the oil all the way down here. Okay, and then you massage it like this. You massage it like that. Do that for like 10. Let me push in my ring. Do that for like 10 times. And then you do another one like this. And then another one like this, at this tip. From here, you grab it. Grab it. You're going to be seeing a whole lot of different. Then you do it like this. So you can push here inside. Just like that. And then you do the same way. All of those unnecessary white nose, just push it inside a little. Now you guys, if you're consistent in doing this, like you do it every day for 2 weeks, only 2 weeks, so I'm not saying 2 weeks is the max that you must do it, but you do it for only 2 weeks, you're going to see how pointed and tiny your nose is going to become. All right, except if you love your nose being big, fine, no problem. But for those people who want some little change here and there, this video is for those people. Okay, so you do it like that. You hold this tip of this nose. Go this way again. Just press it with a little pressure and up. A little pressure and up. Little pressure and up. Just like that. And then like that. A little pressure. You're going to notice your nose here is going to begin to have direction. So also, if you're having deep mouth wrinkles, right? So this is what you're going to massage. You're going to use your 2 fingers and then you're going to push your face upward like this. Push from this way. Make sure the oil touches everywhere you want to massage so that it's going to be very free to go. Not only is it going to remove your deep mouth wrinkle, it's going to tighten and lift up your face. Or you can use your 2 hands just to make sure that this thing is flush. just like this and like this, just like this and like this. Okay, so if you are actually experiencing wrinkles around this area, it's actually simple how you're gonna do the massage. You just take your massage oil. This oil, you can literally just keep it, you know. You take your massage oil and rub it there, and then you push it up, 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 just like that. Push it sideways like this. See, the face needs massage at some point, so it's actually ideal for you to massage your face at some point, alright? So you can have a flawless, beautiful skin. Even if you cannot massage, you can go to a spa, let them massage your face for you, okay? So that the blood circulation could go very well, and then you're going to be looking younger. Just like it's simple. Just push up, push up. Push up, push up, push up. Like this and like this. Okay? Like this and like this. Like this, like this. So when you're done, you are good. So you can massage your face at most 2 times in a week, okay, or at least 1 time in a week, okay, but you have to at least massage your face 4 times in a month for a good and excellent result. Younger skin overload. All right, you guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye and God bless.